Today's race we have 4 teams. We have pearl blue, minty green, swirly whites and swirly yellows. All colours will race with each other. The first marble through will go to the podium. The first team with all 4 marbles wins the race. Let's go! We have the 4 marbles ready for the first race. Swirly yellow is in. Mint green follows. Then pearl blue puts in the stand. Swirly white. 3, 2, 1. Go! And all 4 marbles are off. It's in the first whirlpool. Who's going to be the first down? It's going to be pearl blue, followed by swirly white and swirly yellow. Mint green's lagging behind. Remember, the first through goes through to the podium for their team. It looks like pearl blue's through first. Will they be victorious in the first round? It's close. Swirly white looks like it could take. Swirly white has taken it first, followed by pearl blue. Third, mint green. And 4, swirly yellow. Swirly white is the winner, so it goes to the podium. This podium here is swirly white's. The other 3 are going back into the race with the new addition of swirly white. And we're ready for the next round. Pearl blue and swirly white are in, followed by swirly yellow, mint green. 3, 2, 1, and they're off. And pearl blue has went through, followed by mint green and swirly yellow, but mint green took the lead. Swirly white is lagging behind. Who's going to be first through? Swirly yellow is into the last whirlpool. And who's going to be the victor this round? It's going to be swirly yellow, followed by swirly white, mint green, and pearl blue is taking its time through. And swirly yellow is the winner. The remaining 3 go into the next round with the new addition of swirly yellow. And the marbles are ready for round 3. 3, 2, 1. And they're off. In the first whirlpool. Who's going to make it down first this time? Swirly white's looking like it's got it. It has. It's through. Straight through, followed by mint green, swirly yellow and pearl blue, all making their way down to the second swirlpool. Swirly white had a good lead there, but others seem to be catching him up. Swirly white's in there. Mint green close to follow by pearl blue. Swirly white could nab it. Who's going to get it? It looks like swirly white. Swirly white is through. He will be going on the podium with his other team member. And swirly yellow is taking a while and is through. And swirly white is the winner. Joins his teammate. The other 3 are joining the race, as well as new swirly white. The marbles are ready for the next round. 3, 2, 1. And they're off. It's a good pace. The first one, mint green, looks like it's going to go down first. It is. Mint green down and takes the lead. He's going through, and it's going to be a close, followed by swirly white and swirly yellow. Pearl blue is last to join them. Mint green is flying through that second whirlpool. And he's through to the final. Swirly white could be close to follow. He is. He's going to steal this victory. It looks like it could be one for the mint green. Swirly white's trying to push him off, but mint green gets it. Followed by swirly white, pearl blue, and swirly yellow. And mint green is the winner. Joins the podium on the red podium. The other 3 marbles race again with the addition of the new mint green. Ready for the next round. All marbles are ready. 3, 2, 1. And they're off. Pearl blue and swirly yellow going for a pearl blues through there with a close mint green, swirly yellow. Oh, mint green got held up there. Swirly yellow looks like it could be taking the lead, but oh no, pearl blues is through. Could this be one each for all of them? Pearl blue is through. That is pearl blue's first through. It's followed by swirly yellow, mint green, and swirly white. And pearl blue is the winner and goes on to the yellow podium. The remaining three go back into the race with the addition of the new pearl blue. The marbles are ready for the next round. 3, 2, 1, and they're off. Mint green's looking close to the edge there, followed by pearl blue. Mint green is through first, followed by swirly yellow. Mint green got held up a little. Swirly white is still in the first wheel, but he's down now. Who's going to be next through here? It's going to be mint green. Mint green's looking like it's good for the lead, followed by swirly yellow coming in. Mint green takes it, nice and comfortable, followed by swirly yellow, pearl blue, and swirly white. Mint green is the winner. He joins the podium. The three remaining marbles go back into the race with the new addition of mint green. 4 marbles are ready for the next race. 3, 2, 1, and they are off. The current standings as it holds: pearl blue has 1 marble, mint green has 2 marbles through, swirly white has 2 marbles, and swirly yellow has 1. Oh, mint green is stuck at the first obstacle. Swirly white knocks him, gives him a little nudge, and all 4 marbles are into the second whirlpool. Who's going to take the lead on this? It is pearl blue. Pearl blue is through, followed by swirly white. Could pearl blue get the second onto the podium? Pearl blue is through. That's 2 through onto pearl blue's podium now, followed by swirly white, mint green, and last, taking its time, is swirly yellow. And pearl blue is the winner. The remaining 3 marbles go back into the race with the new addition of pearl blue. The marbles are ready for the next round. 3, 2, 1, and they are off. Swirly yellow looks like it could be the first down. Straight through into the second whirlpool, followed by mint. They're all coming, they're all came in a hurry there. Swirly yellow through to the final whirlpool, followed by swirly white. It could be a close race. Mint green is in there. Who's going to get it? It's swirly yellow. Swirly yellow has stole it. Swirly white follows. Mint green. And then last, pearl blue. And swirly yellow is the winner. The remaining marbles go back into the race, followed by the new addition of swirly yellow. And the marbles are ready for the next round. At the minute, it stands 2 apiece. 3, 2, 1. Whoever wins this race is going to start taking the lead on the podiums. It looks like mint green and pearl blue are battling it to be first through. Mint green is through, followed by swirly yellow, pearl blue. Swirly white is still. Oh, swirly white's going to have to knock pearl blue. He is still going. Swirly yellow and mint green. Mint green is through to that final whirlpool, followed by swirly yellow. It's a close race. It looks like mint green's going to steal it. He has. Mint green is through, followed by swirly yellow. Pearl blue comes in third. Swirly White finishes 4th. Mint Green is the winner. And the other 3 go into the next race with the last marble for Mint Green. We're ready for the next round. All marbles are ready to go. 3, 2, 1. And they're off. Now if Mint Green wins this, they win the entire race. There's a lot of pressure going on to Mint Greens here, but it doesn't seem to faze them. They are through first, even though they were coming out last. But he stopped. Knocked on by Swirly Yellow. Is that going to be a setback? Swirly White is still in the fight. Oh, Pearl Blue is stuck too. The green not through. Mint Green is in the final whirlpool by themselves. Swirly Yellow is coming through, but Mint Green doesn't seem to care. You can see the victory, and he is through. Followed by Swirly Yellow. Pearl Blue comes in 3rd. And Swirly White wasn't feeling it this race at all and comes in last. And Mint Green is the winner. And Mint Green have got all 4 team members through. Therefore, they are the winners of today's race.